Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Devid iacopelli and thank you so much for watching. Please share and like, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be cooking fried zucchini. So the ingredients we have: some zucchini. Here's the zucchini, Italian zucchini. Then we have breadcrumbs. Then we have flour, and then we have eggs. Look at the eggs, it's like chickens. Oh, peel the skin all the way. Oh, zucchini are peeled, and the next step is we're gonna cut them, and we cut half. We cut in half. Then we put it inside the flour. We cover up all the zucchini there, and you put it back to the egg. You put it back to the egg. You cover again inside the egg, so like that, and then you put it inside the breadcrumbs. The finished product of preparing. Now we go to fry the oil in. Then we wait until the oil is hot, around 300 degrees. We start cooking the zucchini. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press